Hello students, I hope you all are fine and doing study work at your home. Welcome back to your online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of Social Studies, and in today's video we are going to go through the word meanings of chapter 4, My Home. So what is our chapter name? Our chapter name is My Home. Chapter 4, My Home. And today we will see some hard word meanings of this chapter. Okay students, so in our previous video we had go through this chapter, and I had taught you so many things about this chapter, and so let's revise once that what we had learned in our previous video. So I had taught you the what is the importance of house, and I also clear your doubt that what is difference between house and a home. Okay, so in today's video we are going to see some hard word meanings. So shall we start now students? So let us start with the first word. So the first hard word of this chapter is guests. So what is the meaning of guests students? The meaning of guest is people who come to our houses to meet us. Okay, so so when I was make you understand that the different types of rooms in a house, the different parts of a room in a house, that there are different kinds of room in a house, like drawing room, dining room, kitchen, bedroom, etc. Then I had told you that we meet our guests and we visited our guests in the dining room, in the drawing room. Okay students? Okay, so who is guest? A people who come to our houses to meet us are called guests. Okay, now next one is leave. What is the meaning of leave? So firstly tell me the spelling of leave. The spelling of leave is L-I-V-E. Repeat after me. The spelling of leave is L-I-V-E, leave. And what is the meaning of leave? The meaning of leave is stay. Stay means leave. Okay, so the spelling of stay is S-T-A-Y, stay. And next one is keep. What is the spelling of keep students? The spelling of keep is K-E-E-P, keep. Keep means put. P-U-T, put. So what is the spelling of put? Repeat after me. P-P-U-T, put. Keep means put. Come to the next word. The next word is study. The spelling of study is S-T-U-D-Y, study. Study means read. To read something is called study. The spelling of read is R-E-A-D, read. Okay, R-E-A-D, read. Study means read. Is that clear? So come to the next word. The next word is heat. Next word is heat. So what is the spelling of heat? H-E-A-T, heat. The spelling of heat is H-E-A-T, heat. And heat means sunlight or warm. Warm or sunlight is the meaning of heat. So we get heat from whether either sun, or in the summer season we get heat from the sun, or warm. Warm is also the synonyms of heat. Okay students? Sunlight or warm. These are two meanings of heat. And what is the spelling of sunlight? SUNLIGHT. So I know you all are aware of the spelling of sun, so just you have to learn the spelling of light, then it will become the sunlight. SUNLIGHT, sunlight. And sunlight means heat. We get heat from the sunlight. And next one is warm. So what is the spelling of warm? The spelling of warm is WORM, warm. So come to the next word. Next word is many. So what is the spelling of many? The spelling of many is MANY, many. And many means so much. Okay. And different is also the meaning of many. Many means different. So firstly, let's see the meaning spelling of the so much. The spelling of so much is SOMUCH. The spelling of so much is so MUCH, much, so much. So here the many spelling of many is MANY, and the meaning of many is so much. Now the next word is meet. Meet means to come together. Okay, meet means to come together, and the spelling of meet is MEET. MEET, meet. Meet means to come together. And what is the spelling of to come together? The spelling of to come together is TOCOME, come. And the spelling of together is TOGETHER, together. To come together is the meaning of meet. Okay. So once revise these all word meanings again. So firstly, start with the first word meaning, which is guest. So what is the spelling of guest? GUESTS, guests. We meet our guest in the drawing room. Okay. So who are guests? Students. So the people who come to our houses to meet us are called our guests. Okay. Now next one is leave. What is the meaning of leave? So firstly, tell me the spelling of leave. The spelling of leave is LIVE, and leave means stay. STAY, stay. Okay. So leave means stay. Now come to the next word, which is keep. The spelling of keep is KEEP, and the meaning of keep is put. To put something is mean keep. Okay. So the spelling of keep is put is PUT, put. Put means keep, or you can say keep means put. These both are same. So keep means put. Now next word is study. So what do you mean by study? Study means read. Study means read. So what is the spelling of study? The spelling of study is STUDY, study. And study means read. So what is the spelling of read? The spelling of read is READ, read. Now come to the next word. Which one is heat? Heat means warm. Okay. Heat means warm or sunlight. We get heat from the sun. So the sunlight is also heat. So we can say that heat means sunlight or warm. Okay. So the spelling of heat is HEAT, heat. And the meaning of heat is sunlight. sunlight, sunlight. Now the next one is many. The spelling of many is MANY, and the would mean so much. Okay, so many means so much. The spelling of so much is SOMUCH, so much. Is that clear, students? Now come to the next word. Next word is meet. Meet means to come together. Okay, so what is the spelling of meet? The spelling of meet is MEET, meet, and meet means to come together. So we meet our guests in the drawing room. So I hope you understood what all I have taught you, and there's a homework for you, students. You have to learn these all word meanings and read this chapter again, and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.